Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The MSI Mag 321CUP QD-OLED 32-inch monitor represents a sophisticated intersection of panel engineering and visual fidelity intended for high-end computing environments where clarity and color are paramount. This display is built around a 32-inch ultra-high-definition panel providing a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. This resolution provides a dense pixel environment where fine details in images and text are rendered with a level of clarity that is essential for modern high-resolution workflows. The core of this monitor is its QD-OLED technology, which combines the self-emissive properties of organic light-emitting diodes with the color-enhancing capabilities of quantum dots. Unlike traditional liquid crystal displays that rely on a backlight filtering through various layers of filters and shutters, this technology allows each individual pixel to act as its own light source. This fundamental difference in architecture results in the ability to achieve perfect black levels because a pixel can simply be turned off completely rather than trying to block out a light that is always on behind it. When you have a screen where blacks are truly black, the perceived contrast and depth of every other color on the screen are significantly enhanced, creating a three-dimensional quality to the imagery. The addition of a quantum dot layer further refines this output by using nanocrystals to convert light into highly saturated and very specific primary colors, which leads to a wider color gamut and more accurate color reproduction across the entire brightness spectrum. This monitor is designed to occupy a premium space on the desk, offering a massive canvas for both detailed professional work and high-fidelity entertainment, and it serves as a showcase for how far display technology has progressed in recent years. Looking at the build and design of the unit, there is a clear focus on a sleek functional aesthetic that allows the screen itself to be the primary focus of the desk environment. The 32-inch panel features a subtle curvature, which is a design choice intended to wrap the edges of the display slightly toward the viewer. This curvature helps to maintain a more consistent distance between the human eye and the screen surface across the entire width of the display, which can reduce the need for constant eye refocusing and potentially lower visual fatigue during long sessions. The chassis itself is finished in a professional matte black, and the overall footprint is designed to be as unobtrusive as possible given the large screen size. The stand provides essential adjustment options including tilt functionality so that the angle can be optimized for the height of the user and their specific desk setup, ensuring that the screen is always at the ideal viewing angle. For those who require more comprehensive movement, the monitor is Vesa mountable, allowing it to be attached to a variety of third-party arms or wall mounts, which is a critical feature for users who need to save desk space or create a complex multi-monitor arrangement. Connectivity is robust, featuring high-definition multimedia interface ports and a DisplayPort, which are standard for modern high-performance hardware. There is also an emphasis on heat management, which is vital for the longevity of organic light-emitting diode panels, and the rear of the monitor is designed to dissipate heat efficiently without the need for loud fans. The inclusion of built-in speakers provides a basic audio solution for system alerts or casual video viewing without requiring external hardware immediately. Furthermore, the monitor includes a dedicated console mode, which is designed to ensure that the display can correctly handle the specific signal requirements of modern gaming consoles, ensuring the best possible image quality regardless of the source device. The performance of the display is defined by its remarkable speed and visual accuracy, which are critical for high-end applications and detailed visual tasks. One of the most significant specifications is the 0.03 millisecond gray-to-gray response time. In technical terms, this is the time it takes for a pixel to change from one color to another, and a figure this low is nearly instantaneous and represents the physical limits of current technology. This effectively eliminates motion blur and ghosting, which are common issues in slower panel technologies where fast-moving objects can leave a trail or appear fuzzy. When paired with a 165 Hz refresh rate, the monitor delivers a level of smoothness that makes every motion on the screen feel fluid and responsive. This high refresh rate means the screen is updating the image 165 times every second, which is more than double the standard 60 Hz found on basic monitors. To ensure that this high performance remains stable, the monitor features adaptive sync technology. This technology synchronizes the refresh rate of the display with the output of the graphics card to prevent screen tearing, which occurs when the display and the computer are momentarily out of sync. This results in a much more stable and cohesive visual experience, especially during variable workloads. Color performance is another area where this monitor stands out, as it is rated for QD Premium Color. This ensures that the monitor meets high industry standards for color accuracy, providing a delta E of less than or equal to 2. A delta E value this low means that any difference between the source color and the color displayed on the screen is virtually invisible to the human eye, which is a requirement for professional photo and video editing where accuracy is non-negotiable. The monitor also carries the Vesa DisplayHDR True Black 400 certification, which guarantees that it can produce the deep blacks and bright highlights necessary for high dynamic range content without the glowing or blooming effects often seen on backlit screens. This matters because it allows for a high degree of detail in the darkest parts of an image while still maintaining vibrant and bright highlights in the same frame. The MSI Mag 321CUP is best suited for a specific type of user who demands both visual beauty and technical precision in their daily routine. It is an ideal choice for digital content creators such as photographers, graphic designers, and video editors who need the absolute color accuracy provided by the QD-OLED panel and the quantum dot layer. The 32-inch canvas offers a large digital workspace that allows for multiple windows or complex timelines to be visible at once, while the 4K resolution ensures that the fine details of their work are always crisp and visible. Additionally, users who prioritize high-speed responsiveness will find the combination of the ultra-low response time and high refresh rate to be a significant advantage during any task involving rapid movement. It serves those who want a premium viewing experience for high-definition movies and media where the infinite contrast ratio of the old technology can be fully appreciated. It also appeals to users who have a hybrid setup involving both a traditional computer and a modern gaming console, as the connectivity and console mode make it easy to switch between different high-performance tasks. This is a display for someone who does not want to choose between the color depth of a professional monitor and the speed of a high-end display designed for movement. It is for those who appreciate the subtle nuances of color and the sharpness of ultra-high-definition video. In a broader sense, this monitor represents the current peak of consumer display technology by offering a balanced package that addresses the core requirements of clarity, color, and speed. At a price of approximately $750, it occupies a competitive position in the market for high-end 32-inch displays. While the focus is clearly on the internal panel technology and its output capabilities, the physical design remains practical and adaptable for various environments. The combination of 4K resolution and old technology has long been a goal for display enthusiasts, and this model brings that combination into a form factor that is functional for daily use. It provides a reliable and immersive experience for anyone who spends significant time in front of a screen and requires the highest level of detail and responsiveness available today. By prioritizing the quality of the pixels themselves and the speed at which they can change, this monitor ensures that the visual information being delivered to the user is as accurate and fluid as possible. It is a comprehensive solution for those looking to upgrade their visual workspace to a standard that meets both modern professional and enthusiast expectations without unnecessary complication. The integration of high-end features like quantum dot technology and high refresh rates into a single unit makes it a versatile tool that can handle almost any visual task with ease and precision, and it stands as a testament to the ongoing evolution of how we perceive digital content on the desktop. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.